first product from the rose that we harvest from the fields is rose oil, and a kg of rose oil costs somewhere around 10 to 12 kg, 10 to 12 lakh a kg of oil. So the underlying fact is that these crops are very valuable as far as the income generation is considered. This station comes under Council of Scientific Industrial Research, Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine, Jammu, and here we do a lot of activities that are related to industrial agriculture. We work on crops that have direct use in industrial for the industry. Those industries can be flavor, fragrance, essential oil industry. We have seen that a lot of interest has been shown by many young entrepreneurs, unemployed, what we call as youngsters, and even farmers from hilly areas who have now diversified their crop production to these aromatic crops because they fetch a lot of returns in comparison to the traditional food or horticultural crops.
हमारा जो रोज का ये जो कल्टीवेशन होती है यहाँ बड़े पैमाने पर होती है, लगभग हमारा 3-4 हेक्टेयर पे लगा हुआ है यहाँ रोज। सुबह हमारा जो लेबर है वो 6 बजे आता है, तो हम वहाँ जो हमारे रोज है वो लेते हैं वहाँ से। फिर जब रोज़ हम वहाँ से उठाते हैं, फिर इस यूनिट पे हम लाते हैं, यहाँ पे जमा करते हैं। फिर उनका जो है वो यहाँ पे ये जो स्टीम डिस्टिलेशन देख रहे हैं आप, फिर हम उसको इनमें डालते हैं। फिर हम उनको स्टीम जो हम जनरेट करते हैं उसके थ्रू जो उसमें एसेंशियल ऑयल पाया जाता है वो हम उसका निकालते हैं।
These aromatic crops are not looked upon as far as their quantity goes. They are also very important from a point of view of their quality. So the Kashmir conditions, the cooler conditions in Kashmir actually helps us generate the essential oil of these crops, like in case of rose, that is qualitatively comparable to any crop or oil from any part of the world.